wheels. Alright, so basically here is the cache. It's hiding in this lot somewhere, and it has now become my duty to find it. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, I did find it, so I know where it is. It's just a matter of yesterday I didn't have any tools or anything to leave behind. So this time I do. Something I wanted to show you guys. I found something kind of sketch here. And, I mean, you tell me. Coming into a cemetery, how eerie is it to find a sinkhole? Huh? And there's a big sinkhole. Right over there. Now, I don't know about you guys, but finding a sinkhole in a cemetery like this is not particularly the best feeling. It looks like there's raccoon tracks. Anyway, the ground is very mush here, and we're gonna get away from this area. This geocache is called Cemetery Giants, and it says it's a container with a log. This cemetery has some of the oldest trees I've yet seen, and as you can tell, there's these super big trees. So my first thought was, well, it's obviously going to be hidden near these trees, which I wasn't quite wrong. Now, the thing about this is, I always feel really weird about coming into cemeteries because I don't really want to step on anybody, if you catch my drift. So, I'm just gonna sneak our way through here. Sneak. Now, this here says that I'm about 10 meters away from the geocache. And as I told you guys, I've already found this one. I just didn't have the material to log it in. So it says here that this container is a medium-sized container. The terrain is 1.5, difficulty is 1.5. Now, I'm not gonna lie. When I was here yesterday, it took me a minute to find this because, as you can tell, there's kind of like, you know, garbage all over the place. I mean, sorry, excuse me, not garbage. Oh, look, a little squirrel. Anyway, so garbage, flowers, whatever. Hi, little squirrel. It's a little baby. He's so teeny. Alright, so anyway, we're not going to spend an over amount of time here. I just thought I'd show you guys where I found this cache. So, as of currently, it says that we are 5 meters away from this cache. So, as a matter of fact, I just walked over here, and as you can tell, there it is. So, and I've prepared myself a little bag of goodies. I've got some paper, I've got some pens, I've got some Ziploc bags, and some trinkets. Here we go. So this is what a geocache looks like, guys. We've got some little trinkets in there. I'm going to add my own. And this time we'll sign our name. I'll put a little trinket inside this. And inside the Ziploc bag is our logbook. So I kind of gone and explained a bit of this yesterday and didn't quite realize that you guys couldn't hear me talking, but so there's this thing about geocaching where basically they ask you that you are discreet about it. So in other words, don't be suspicious. Though I find it's a little hard not to be suspicious, especially when entering, you know, a cemetery in broad daylight. Well, I mean going to the back of the cemetery, that is. So, if ever anybody asks, I'm gonna tell them what I'm doing. But long story short, you just put the container right back where you found it for the next people. And that's it. So mark it, I found it. Nice hide. There we go. Yeah. End up finding some neat, nice spots that the locals have found, and you get to explore them for yourself. So I think that's a really cool thing. Oh, would you look at that? A friendly face. Trying to steal my motorcycle. My first official vlog.
Am I in it?
Yeah.
How was it?